Hey everybody, in this video, let's learn how to edit your videos using InShot. In part 1 of this InShot series, we will discuss how to add or split the clips, how to add transition, add or change the music, edit the speed of the clips, and also using picture-in-picture feature to make your video stand out. So let's begin. So after downloading the app, click on this new symbol over here. Add 2 to 3 as many clips you want in your video. Now first let's add transition. So basically transition is just a creative way to move from one scene to the other. Here you can see a white square. Click on it. It will take you to the types of transitions available. As you can see, only the basic ones are free, but the rest of them are paid. So in the basic ones, you can see there are so many transitions. Swipe left, right, down, whichever suits your video, you can select. So now once the transition is done, let's move on to remove some of the unwanted part from our video. So now suppose this part of the video we don't want in our final output. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to use the split option. Keep the white bar where you want it to split. Then again take your bar to the place till where you don't want. So now you got this full clip and you can just click on delete and that part or that segment is automatically gone from your video now. And you can see another square coming over here, which means since your video is now into 3 parts, 1, 2 and now the third one over here, so now you can apply some transition over here also. So that's it. So simple to trim any part of your video. Let's see how you can change the speed for any clip. So this first select the clip whose speed you want to change. Here is an option for speed. Click over here. According to your requirement, you can select the value, whether you want to increase the speed or you want to decrease the speed. Moving on, let's see how you can change or add any music or record your own audio for the video. Very first thing is you need to check if your video which you have uploaded, if it is having any audio, then how you can extract that audio and remove it. So select the video, click the option extract and then select that specific audio, and if you want to keep it, otherwise there's a delete option. You can delete that audio and get rid of it. To add your own sounds or music in it, you have an option. One is you can select your favorite music or you have any downloaded music. All those options are already over here. You can use any one of them. In case you want to record something like I am recording right now for this video, in that case you will have to click on this record button. The recorder will start and you can start recording. Now let's see what is picture in picture. It is just that if in some video or in part of your video you want that other video or some image should be there. So you click on this picture in picture option. Go to the gallery, select which video you want to embed in your current video and then it will start showing up like this. But since it's not looking very much relevant right now, so you have many options to edit it. You have to click over here on this icon. It is going to open the other options, like first of all, in what way do you want it to come on your screen? That is again the transition. So you can see. Another important thing is you can decide what frame you want. You want any colorful frame around it, so you can put it. But as you can see, it's not looking good over here, so I am not putting any frame right now. You can also decide that how much blur effect do you want, how much opacity you want in your image. So like this, you can make it a little more, adding a blur effect to your picture. And lastly over here you can see that you can decide the shape. For example, here I think that if I put this in a circle shape it will look better. Oh no, heart is not looking good, circle is fine. So I'm going to put it in a circle shape and then I will also change the position. So here I will adjust a little more of the blur effect and then I'll pick this and I'll put it on top over here. Now it starts giving you a look as if this girl is thinking about this place and it will look good. So this is the way how according to your requirement you can change what you want to do with your video. Okay, so for this video of InShot I'm going to end over here only because there are so many features that in one video I cannot cover everything. Very quickly I'll come up with the next part in which we are going to share more things about the InShot. That's it for this video. See you in my next video. Stay tuned.